Alright, today's infrared sauna question is, hi Matt, I noticed that you had a video called the best infrared sauna for home use or for residential use, but it doesn't seem to play anymore. Wondering if any new recommendations have taken precedent or if... Okay, yeah, I think you're talking about some older videos that I had from last year. There was one that I did on the Costco, Home Depot, Amazon saunas, and it talks about a lot of the higher EMF saunas that I bought that didn't turn out very well. You can go to cleverleverage.com, my blog, and just type in infrared sauna reviews in the little search thing, and you should be able to see all those old reviews. They're still up. Now, some of the old videos had previous recommendations in there that I had to take down, but I can make a new one for you. I think the only thing that you really need to look at is the list of certified saunas. If you just go to certifiedsaunas.com, or if you go to my blog, Clever Leverage, and type in the list of certified saunas, or type in the three best saunas, you'll find the best saunas on there for home use. One thing to note is to pay very close attention to the electrical standards. So if you're trying to put a 4-person sauna in a residential home or something like that, you're probably going to have to hire an electrician. But the two top ones on there, the Radiant Health and the Clearlight Premier, and actually the High Tech Health TR2, you'll see them. They're the top 3 rated saunas on there. They all have a 2-person model that'll fit on a 15 amp circuit. So if that's a big enough size for you, you didn't indicate in the question, but if that's large enough, that should be adequate. I'm sorry, the standard home electrical system should be adequate to power those without having to hire an electrician to put in a dedicated 20 amp line. And any of those 3 saunas are pretty much the best infrared saunas on the market for home use. They're the lowest EMF in the industry. They've got great creature comforts. They're easy to put together. Some of them are easier than others. You'll want to go look at the list of certified saunas and then look at the pros and the cons. Like the Radiant was the easiest sauna I've ever put together. It's also one of the least expensive, so I think it's the best value for people. It's got a heated bench. It's got ceramic tile on the floor so you don't drip sweat into the wood. It's got delayed start built into the control panel. It's got a really nice, elegant feel, good lighting, seems luxurious. It's got front heater coverage. Just all in all, looks very good. It's a very well-rounded sauna. Does a lot of things for a lot of people for a good price, and it's super low EMF. It's got the lowest electric fields and magnetic fields of any sauna that I've ever tested my whole life. It beat out the 2019 saunas by a mile. Like, they're not even in the same stratosphere. That's why we came out with the list of certified saunas. Second on the list was the Clearlight Premier. That would also be a really good choice. If you need financing or you want to ship to another country, they've got really good options for that, which is why they're highly ranked as well. Very low EMF levels, almost as low as the Radiant. A very similar design. Radiant and Premier are kind of a spitting image of each other. They both got ceramic tile on the floor. Premier doesn't have a heated bench, doesn't have delayed start built into the control panel with no internet connection, so that's something, you got to figure out what you're looking for. Aside from that though, both of those are really good choices. Third on the list would be the High Tech Health TR2. Excellent sauna if you need a ceramic sauna. The cabinet on that is pretty big, so it's a really large 2-person. Some people like that, some people hate that. So some people like that because it's big for 2 people. Other people don't like it because they're trying to fit a sauna in a space and it's just outside of their space requirements, right? You'll have to figure out what's right for you. I can't say one way or the other. A little bit more difficult to put that sauna together, but it does work very well, and it is the lowest body voltage, lowest electric fields, lowest EMF ceramic sauna that I've ever come across. And it tested the best out of all the ceramic saunas that I've been in, the Therasauna, all the others. I think the Sauna Ray uses the exact same heaters as the Therasauna, but I've got videos that talk about that stuff at length. Any of those 3 sauna brands are going to be a great fit. You're going to be really happy with those. They're excellent residential saunas. All of them are under, I think as far as price is concerned, if you want a 1-person, I think the Radiants start around the $3K range. I think Clearlight's a couple $100 more, and then High Tech Health is significantly more expensive. So I don't know what kind of price range you're looking at. I don't think you indicated. No, you did not. But any of those 3 are going to be light years ahead of your Costco saunas, your Amazon saunas, any of that stuff. I would highly urge you to go watch some of my other videos before you buy anything so that you can get educated on what's wrong with those saunas. You really don't want to buy that toxic formaldehyde one that I bought from Amazon. That's the worst sauna I've ever tested. I wouldn't even use it. You really want to stay away from the super high EMF stuff that's real cheap. And then like your J&H Lifestyles on Amazon, just the build quality it's like a piece of cardboard. I mean, you could just put your hand through it. It's pretty crazy. I just don't think something like that's gonna last. It didn't work very well. I bought it. You can go watch the reviews. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. You might also want to watch my Consumer Reports or read the Consumer Reports article. I've caught websites impersonating Consumer Reports, and then I found out that Consumer Reports does not review saunas at all. So anything that you see out there that says like top rated Consumer Reports sauna, if I put something out like that, it's a parody because I think it's funny because it's fake, obviously. But everyone in the industry is saying that their sauna is the best and it's the top rated one amongst consumers, and Consumer Reports ranked it this. All fake. It's all a scam. There is no such thing as a Consumer Reports rated sauna. Consumer Reports does not test saunas in any capacity. Probably the closest thing to rating them and testing them against each other is what I do. But there's not very many people that put quite that much effort into it. But you can look around and see what you can find. What else? We've got Costco, Home Depot, Amazon. I think that's it. I mean, you can go see the infrared sauna reviews at cleverleverage.com. There should be some related reading articles that are linked up in there. That'll probably cover all the questions that you have. I know a lot of people ask about near infrared versus far infrared. What about the near infrared heat lamp saunas? I've got tons of information and separate videos on that. But any of the certified saunas would serve you well, and I think you'd be pleased with. I would feel comfortable putting my own family in any of those brands. They've tested excellent, and I think they're great saunas. So see you in tomorrow's video.